Hello to everybody and welcome to a new video of this week. I decided I'm gonna split this video in two parts. Why two parts? Because I think that is very important to identify what a successful trader needs to become a successful trader. I know it's very obvious to hear, but there are several components that make a trader successful. And I'm not gonna make a video talking only about these components, but I'm gonna put some small pills into the video so we'll be able to explain what from my point of view it's a successful trader and what are the most common mistakes. And the second part of the video will be the analysis of the graphics for that day, so you will be able to skip it if you're already successful and you want to see just the analysis, or watch all the video and try to get what you need to get from this video, because I think that everybody of us is an individual and have his individual strategy, and I'm from the idea that not every strategy is for all the traders. Okay, so you have to develop your own strategy. So that's why I'm not sharing exactly how I enter, because what works for me maybe is not working for you. What I'm seeing is maybe what you are not seeing. So trading is interpretation. It's a story. The charts tell you a story that is happening. So it's very important to identify your own story. Otherwise, you will never be able to be me, and I will never be able to be you in this case. And it's very important to become a trader, because it's not the secret recipe to become a successful trader. There are steps that you have to take. And I think that the most important steps is to define your strategy, because 20% of a Forex routine is to know your strategy, to know that you have to wait, for example, to know when are your entries, your trade management, and your exit strategy. For example, if you can see, I'm waiting for the DXY to come around this level before to take a trade. So I'm not gonna do anything here. I'm not gonna watch the chart. As you can see, I put an alarm, and I'm not gonna do anything until it's the price will not achieve this or this level. So we need to keep in mind that if your entry strategy is clear, you need to know how to manage your trade after. What mean managing? Because most people will ask me, oh, what is trading management? Is how to reduce your risk, when to take profit, when to let the trade run. Because I can make you a good example. The New Zealand dollar that we took, actually, it went way higher than expectation. Before the non-farm parole, we took our profit. Maybe this could be a 1 to 10 trade, maybe.
Oh my god! No way! No way! That is so awesome! Oh my god, dude! Do you see this?
But according to my trading strategy, 2 hours before the non-farm parole, I took my profit. And not only by that, but we also show how to pass the free FITMO challenge. So our target was achieved 2 hours before the non-farm parole. Was so stupid to risk to lose a trade and not passing the FITMO free challenge because we were greedy. Because greed, it's one of your biggest enemy. Because you always want a little bit more from the trade, but it's not possible. The market don't give you what you want. The market give you what he wants. So you have to, according to the market, take your decision. And your exit strategy, like I show you now, you need to have clear these 3 points: entry strategy, trade management, and exit strategy. Because you cannot live with the regret like, oh, if I keep it more, if I let it run, what if it reverses to you? I was testing some strategy in the past that I was having like 20 or 30% risk reward. And after I was not taking profit and the trade was reversing completely against me, and a trader who was giving me like 15 or 20 hour profit was going completely against me, causing me a loss because I was not even putting break even. Like, you know, the line between being humble and being stupid, it's so tiny. And I think that having clear your strategy is already 20% of the work. I put you in the description that I built by myself, where you can put your numbers, because you need to track your trades. It's very important. You have to put your numbers. So at the end of the week, you will know the trades you took, the trades you won, the trade you lost, to have the most important numbers that are in every. When you will meet a Forex trader, you need to ask just him two questions: what your risk reward is, and what is your win rate. And with these numbers, you can know if your strategy is profitable on the long term. So I put you a free Excel in the description. You can download it, put your numbers, check it, and do whatever you want to see if your strategy is bulletproof, because it's very important. And now let's go to the analysis. So as you can see, we are waiting for the DXY to make kind of a double bottom on this little 4-hour level around the raw number, and consequently we are waiting for all the others to make a double top. For example, in case of the euro dollar, we're waiting for make a double top from here to short it. So simply, pound is getting us to the interest level, even if this is not the most interested level that I would like to, but that's the most obvious. So I'm even ready to get a loss here, maybe try to catch it from here, but I don't wanna miss the move, so I wanna be in the move when it will happen, because there is not thousands of moves during the week. The DXY, especially the pair collected with the DXY, are these ones, and you need to be in the move if you want to catch your pips at the end of the week. Australian dollar, same. I'm waiting. Here there is even a head and shoulder, so we are waiting to fail probably to be able to short it. Simply. When our target will be, probably first target will be here, second target will be here. Simply. You need to have a simple trading strategy that you can explain in a couple of steps. And if you don't have it yet, check the file, comment with your number in the comment box, and I will give you a feedback about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because it's very important to stay updated about the new release of video on a daily basis, and to see the analysis and to know what I'm waiting for, and maybe you should wait for too.